just showed up, right? I think he hit Buddy's truck right there. Yo.
Dad's gonna take over.
Man, y'all, it's going down at the Blue Beacon, man. We got trouble in the waters. Man. I'm just trying to get a wash and go, you know. There's always something, man. I ought to put this on. I know a bunch of y'all watching, a bunch of y'all driving, watch Bonehead Truckers, but I was late to the situation. So, we're gonna get this thing watched though. We're gonna get it watched for sure, man. Cause I know a lot of y'all been asking, man, how the equipment is. I couldn't show y'all the dirty one. So I'm gonna have to show y'all when I get it all washed up and all pretty for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all inside and out. But y'all wanna know, y'all mainly focus, I guess, the inside of it. Cause y'all ask how much room we got. You know, this thing's spacious, man. We in the Volvo. Come on now. So I'm ready to truck wash right now, you know. About to get it cleaned up for y'all. So hey, come on, what we waiting on? Let's go, let's go.
Dad's gonna take over.
Yeah, man. See, get that thing right. Get that thing right, man. But I'm about to show y'all the full thing once I stop.
Dad's gonna take over.
There we go. Let y'all get a good glance at the outside of Trailblazer, as my girl call it. Trailblazer, man. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Y'all just hold on. I just had to show y'all the outside. Well, I got it all pretty for y'all. I'm about to hook up to that thing here in a second. But yeah, man, it's the outside of it, real nice. Nice looking rig, man. Real nice looking rig. Volvo. I don't know what VNL stand for, but I'm about to figure out here in a minute. It's probably Volvo something, I don't know. Oh, that thing, they got that thing shiny, man. That thing there shiny. I told them to give me the Jordan exclusive. They said, I got you. You know, we don't pay for no truck wash. I guess it's a benefit of being a company driver. These I need one of them. I'll trade them. But this is a lot easier than I trade. It's a CMC trade. Ours got Jordan on it. Yeah. Say, man. Hey, man. It's Paper Trail, baby. And I'm back with that pressure. Hey, that pressure. I ain't heard from y'all in a minute. Y'all ain't heard from me in a little minute. So everybody trying to see, hey, where you been? Where you been? Hey, you better know it. I've been getting mine. I've been getting to that money, baby, that paper. Hey, there's a lot of stuff from Trailblazer that I done benefited from. Like, I think that's how you say it, benefit from, that I benefited from. Hey man, y'all get it, man. Y'all don't talk about me on that thing though. But Paper Trail gang, Paper Trail family, how y'all been? How y'all been, man? I miss y'all. I do miss y'all. But I've been grinding hard, staying out. Don't want to stay out, but hey, whatever it takes to get it done, you know, to get that check. Oh, I gotta tell y'all something too, man, cause y'all been tripping, man. Y'all been tripping. So this goes back to recruiting. Hey, shout out to them new recruits that done came in the door, already over the road with their trainer and about done, man. Hey, a big shout out, man. I salute y'all guys. Hey, it's something I want to talk to y'all about with recruiting, man. And I don't know how to tell y'all, but man, y'all been tripping. I hit up recruiting because people say, okay, they go down YouTube, they see the company trucks, and well, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna revert back to it. This what happened. Y'all see these big red trucks, and y'all see the flatbed on it, and y'all wondering, what company that is? And y'all go on YouTube and Google and look for stuff, and when you go to YouTube and you type in Jordan Carriers, bam, Paper Trail come up. And the first video about orientation, and y'all keep scrolling, y'all keep watching, I appreciate that, y'all comment, y'all like, y'all even call me, because I leave my number. But when y'all do the application, I think what I'm gonna have to start doing is saying, be sure to tell, you know how they used to do on them, how they still do on them commercials, when they talk fast, be sure to tell Jordan that Paper Trail sent you. I'm gonna have to start doing that to y'all. Man, y'all use me as a referral. Especially if you watching the videos, and you know what I'm saying, you done made up your mind about watching my videos that, I'm giving y'all the game, letting y'all know what it is over here. And it's pressure. It is pressure over here. I tell anybody, man, this where you want to be at. And they say this is a starting flatbed company, but for some it's a starting state. I love it, man. I won't move until something bad happens, and I'm still here. So, with that being said, cause y'all done had my girl to get on me. Y'all done had my girl to get on me now. She said, babe, I know you doing good, you doing fine, but you missing out on your blessing. You get this referral bonus that could get you to your ultimate goal faster than you intend to. And I sat there and I thought, I was like, hey, even a deaf, blind person would have figured that out. So with that being said, man, y'all put down, they know me in that thing is Paper Trail. They know me in there as Jamarkus, Pendleton. I'm gonna leave it in the comments, in the video, whatever it do, or whatever it take to get y'all to jot my name down on their referral line. And like I said, man, help me, help you, help us grow and ground up. So, yeah, man, but back to the show. Let me scrap this thing down, and I'm gonna show y'all what the inside of this thing looking like. Cause that's what you really want to see. You want to see the inside. You done seen the outside. You want to see the inside. So let's scrap this thing on down, man. Let's go. little slightly workout, you know. Well, yeah. Let me introduce y'all on the inside. Mine's plain now. I ain't putting all that other stuff, all them flags and all that. But hey, let's go. Alright guys, so here it is, man. You see my floor a little dirty, but it's alright. That's called hard work, baby. Well, yeah, man, this the inside, you know. I let the steering wheel down, but you got, you know, nice little setup. Look at all these gauges and whatnot. My little Nate. Right here, man, this area here, this is basically the junk here. You know, you just throw stuff up there, especially when you're in a rush. But yeah, you know, this is the front. I'm gonna get to the back. Show y'all the front, man. Like I said, the floors are dirty, but that's called hard work. But yeah, this driver's side. My first truck had 2 of these seats right here. These are nicer ones right here. But hey, I deal with it. I'm home majority of the night. Majority. Not every night. You know what I'm saying? They told me I can't be home every night. But yeah, it got a little setup, man. A little Jordan hat. I'm just showing y'all the personal. That's when the sun get ready to come back out. Keep that up there. Oh, you gotta have some viennas in that thing, man. You gotta have some viennas. Little pack of tuna fish, you know. Sitting at a receiver, I might crack one of them babies open. Another Jordan hat. You know, COVID going on. Got some big things of sanitizer. I just reached through there, pump a little bit, get my hand germ free. CB radio. See if there's anybody on here. Hey, anybody got a radio check for me out there? Anybody got a radio check out there for me? I guess ain't nobody working there. Oh, well, never mind. I appreciate that, driver. But yeah, you know, that's the tracks. We do all your status and everything. This that smell good, you gotta have the snuggle, you know. Spray, 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 spray. Pressure. Gotta have it smell good. Let's see. That's the bed right there. Big side bed, man. I can stretch out in there. And I'm 6'2". Let's see. I got a little pants up there, whatever, for the receiver that trip. And that's just another little extra space. TV go right there. We go a little space. I just got my toothpaste and deodorant in there. Yes, I use women deodorant, man. The other one can't tame you, boy, so I gotta use it. But yeah, that's just a little closet space. I got my cooler right there. Over the road drive, you wanna have one of these. You know, I keep mine stocked with a little water or whatever. A little drawer, you know. I just put my paperwork right there. You know. Jordan cup. They give you one of these as soon as you come in the building, man. Once you get home, I think 2 weeks later, I had one of them in the mail. I thought it was a check, but nah, it wasn't that. But yeah, you know, this thing, it ain't bad at all. Got a lot of room in here, man. Like I said, I'm 6'2", I can stretch out. Oh, I shouldn't even did that. Now she gonna get on me. My girl gonna get on me. But this what she did for me when I was over the road. I shouldn't show her, because I don't like showing my girl off like that, man. She's too fine. Too fine. Ooh. Man. God have mercy. She bought that for me, you know, when I'm on the road and I get, nah, that ain't that fun. We're going to put that back on up there. But yeah, man, it's a nice little old setup. Man. You know, it's like a second home when you can't go home, so I take it for what it is. But yeah, now that y'all have seen this thing, paper trailblazer, don't ask me no more. Do not ask me no more. This thing still ain't ready. But hey, I just had to show y'all that and let y'all know I'm still in the building, man. I'm still in the building. And we still getting it. I'm about to go ahead and load up and take this thing on to the house. But you know when paper trail come back, man. You know what's going on. Hey, I gotta bring it to y'all every time. And that pressure, what's going on, man? Hey, we finna go get to the house, man. Out.